Good afternoon, dear students. Myself Paratama, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, GFGC, Gauribidanur. Welcome for the session 29. In this session, we are going to discuss about the statement of fund from operation, meaning pro forma, and its analysis. In the previous class, we learned that problems on statement of changes in working capital. After the completion of this chapter, you are able to prepare fund flow statement and analyze the financial performance of the business. After this session, you are able to understand how and why a statement of fund from operation is to be prepared. Introduction. As we know that profit is very important source of business. Profit is only the item of source which is generated by the internal source of business activities. However, it is important to know that the net profit as shown by the profit and loss account does not correctly represent the amount of fund from operation, because there are certain items which appear in the profit and loss account but do not involve any payment in cash. Example, depreciation, fictitious assets written off, preliminary expenses, etc. These items which debited in the profit and loss account and do not involve any payment in the form of cash. It means these items do not affect the working capital, and these items are termed as non-cash items. The net profit shown by the profit and loss account has to be adjusted for these items to get the actual fund from operation. Meaning of statement of fund from operation. The term operation means day-to-day affairs of the business. Fund from operation refers the cash flows from their business activities. It is calculated by starting with the net profit already calculated by profit and loss account, then add non-cash items to that earnings and subtract non-operating income to that amount. Following is the formula for calculation of fund from operation. Fund from operation is equal to net profit brought down from profit and loss account to that amount, add depreciation, amortization, loss on sale of assets, and any other non-operating expenses. From the total, deduct profit on sale of assets, profit on sale of investment, interest accrued on investment, etc. Then we will get fund from business operations. Why we calculate fund from operations? Because it does not include income or expenses which are generated from financing activities. Second reason is fund from operation do not constitute profit or loss generated from non-recurring business activities like sale of land, etc. This include depreciation and amortization. Methods for calculation of fund from operations. There are two methods for calculation of fund from operation. First method, in the statement format. Second method, adjusted profit and loss account method. See the first one, statement format. It is to be prepared in order to ascertain the funds available from operations. While preparing this statement, certain items which are non-cash by nature are debited, such as depreciation, discount on debentures, preliminary expenses, etc. These items which do not result in the outflow of cash. Therefore, they ought to be added back to the closing balance of profit and loss account. Similarly, there are certain items of income such as dividend received, appreciation in the value of fixed assets, profit on sale of fixed assets, etc., which are to be debited. Second method, adjusted profit and loss account. It is to be prepared in T format. It starts with the figure of either net profit or loss, as arrived at from the profit and loss account already prepared. On credit side, opening profit and loss account and non-operating items are recorded. On debit side, all non-operating expenses are recorded. The balancing figure is treated as either fund from operation or loss from operation. So this is the format for calculation of fund from operation under statement method. See here, net profit after tax for the year has to be brought down to this statement. After that, add non-operating expenses which are given in the problem. Examples for non-operating expenses are depreciation, loss on sale of fixed assets, interest on debentures, goodwill written off, provision for tax, proposed dividend, interim dividend, transfer from statement of profit and loss account, etc. First, add all these expenses to the net profit. From the total, deduct non-operating incomes which are not affecting to the cash. See the examples for non-operating incomes: interest on investment, dividend received, profit on sale of fixed assets, interest on bank deposits, refund of tax. Deduct all these items from the total, then we will get net fund flow from operations. So this is the format for calculation of fund from operation under adjusted profit and loss account method. See, put 4 columns here. One is for particulars, then amount. Another one is particulars, then amount. One debit and credit. First, balance brought down, which is given in the problem. Credit that amount in the adjusted profit and loss account. To that, add profit on sale of fixed assets, profit on sale of investment, etc. Then, debit all non-cash items which are given in the problem. Examples: depreciation, goodwill written off, preliminary expenses written off, general reserve, provision for taxation, loss on sale of fixed assets, loss on sale of investment, proposed dividend, etc. Then we will get cash from business operations. Thank you very much for one and all.